Hi friends, Luca Sterolli is here, and I'm glad to introduce you a new masterclass I created for you. I'm a published fine art and fashion photographer, retoucher, educator, and I have studied the techniques, tastes, and arts of the world's best photographer to become a better photographer, learning how to be original through my masters, like Bella Kotak, Joel Grimes, René Robin, Kate Woodman, Miss Aniela, Eric Kalmas, Chris Knight, Lindsay Adler, Scott Kelby, Peter Coulson, Pratik Naik, Amanda Diaz, and many others. And for this reason, after years of study, I created a group of teaching resources entitled Mastering the Masters, all the best techniques coming from my masters. A powerful set of masterclasses in which students will learn all the different and complementary aspects of photography and retouching. All the best content from each master is explained in depth to understand all their tricks and tips, workflows, and more. In this masterclass, I will show you some of the best Photoshop panels and actions created by my masters that can help you to improve and speed up your retouching and creative process. Using these tools, you will work like them, following step by step their retouching workflow, just like I have done for years. And the results will be amazing. I can't wait to share all this. And you, are you ready to get started?